So guys, I have some things I would like to unbox and I wanted to share. Let's just see together what we have here. Ooh, in fact, I need to bring this down. See what we've got. We've got yams. I'm super excited. This got shipped to me from Sydney and I am excited. This is really huge, by the way. This is another one. This is another yam. Woo. So yeah, that's one. The next thing I'll be unboxing is this parcel. Yeah, I got some food items from Nigeria and someone brought them for me and shipped them to me. So that's another thing we're going to look at. I'm super excited for this particular one. Now, this is how to pack your Nigerian food items if you're bringing anything from Nigeria. If you don't want them to be trashed at the airport by border security. So I think I'll do a separate video about these food items here, showing you every single thing in here. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'll do that in maybe a reel or a short, a YouTube short. I'll show you what these items are in a reel for Instagram and a YouTube short for YouTube. So watch out for that video. But I'm super excited. So these are the labels for my clothing brand. Can you see it? It's upside down. I think it is upside down. I don't know how best to show you guys, but I'm super excited for this. So yeah, African, look out for our designs. So unlike every other part of the world, if you're bringing food items from Nigeria into Australia, this is how they expect that you pack them. If not, they're going to trash it, so you would have lost all your money. So the first item I have here is whole country onion. Yeah, this. And then I've got dried uziza, my favorite, dried uziza. So yeah, your items need to be commercially packed for them to pass border security standards. And then we have this spice blend. This is my sister's special spice blend for jollof rice and other things. Then we have whatever this thing is. I don't want to bother trying to pronounce it. Ginseng spice or whatever. Akpi. I hope that's what it's called. So I have that. And then, as I'm a jog girl, I have dry periwinkle. Yes, so because no soup is soup enough without the semi in it. So periwinkle is a must in this house. I have alternatives that I get here in Australia, but if it no be periwinkle, it no be the same thing as periwinkle. If you know, you know. And then we have ground legacy. Yeah, well packaged. Then we have, oh, of course, correct Ijo Ogbono. The very best. If it's not Ijo Ogbono, is it Ogbono? No, it's not. So Ijo Ogbono is the very best. Quote me. When you go to the market, tell them you're looking for Ijo Ogbono. Tell them I sent you. And you know that the difference is clear. So this is Ijo Ogbono. And then I have mixed oporo big crayfish. See the picture here? That's exactly what I wanted. I have the smaller ones here, but I wanted the big ones because it just tastes better. So I like to mix both the big and the small ones. So here it is. These are all the items I got from Nigeria. I didn't get as much as I would have loved to because of course someone else was bringing them here. So like I said, if you do not have the patience to pack your products like this before bringing them to Australia, I'm sorry, they'll be trashed at the airport. To avoid that, make sure it is well packaged like this. I'm going to tag my sister's Instagram on the screen, so if you are interested, she got you covered. She got you. Bye.